In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Music to Serato DJ Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do once you open Serato DJ Pro is to go to the top right and click on this settings cogwheel. And from here, you want to go to the third tab up top, which is Library plus Display. In here, you want to go to the bottom, and where it says Music Streaming, you want to check mark Show Streaming Services. And then in here, you'll see there's going to be a bunch of different ones. What you want to do here to actually add Apple Music is simply select Apple Music. Now, once you do this, you can then go back and, of course, click on the settings cogwheel again. And as you can see, Apple Music is now going to be over here on your left. So to actually connect to it and to sign in, you have two options. You could either click on Apple Music and then click on here bottom right where it says start trial or login. And this is going to take you to their official website, which of course is going to allow you to sign into your Apple Music just like this, as you can see. Or what you could also do is go to the settings cogwheel top right and just select Apple Music and click on sign up/login, and it's going to open up the same website, which is going to allow you to log in to your Apple Music account. And then from here, you'll be able to, of course, connect it or add it to Serato DJ Pro. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.